Hello guys, so now I got bored with these two bass tubes as one bass tube was moving here and there and I wasn't willing to damage any of them, so I removed one. I removed this bass FX bass tube and only kept this Pioneer Champion series bass tube. This is, as you know, 500 watt RMS bass tube. Now let's have the demo. Right now the gain tuning is set on 275 watt RMS only. I will increase the gain in couple of weeks to 400 watt RMS clean once I am done with the break-in period. This is what I had to do, all this jugaad, so that bass tube won't move here and there, but I got fed up, so I removed it. I upgraded a battery recently, but I don't want to take any kind of risk because this is automatic car, so I don't have any option rather than jump starting it with another battery. No, I'm not happy on this 275 watt RMS. I will give full throttle this to this subwoofer and then only I will be happy. Let's try another sound. So guys, this was the short review of new Pioneer Champion series bass tube. I will make the long review once I tune it to 400 watt RMS, the amplifier tuning, so that will be the practically correct review. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Live loud.